Hello, welcome to Educational Videos with Matt. Today, unfortunately, we won't be playing with swords here, so we'll be making a potato cannon. Here are the materials. First, 4-foot by 2-inch barrel, and you can shave off the end right here so that the potato/projectile will fit in there easily. Next, the 16 by 4-inch combustion chamber, and then this 4 to 3 and then 3 to 2 thing. We'll glue it, but not right now. And then this is the lid, screw cap. You go right here, and then you just untwist it. And spray your stuff in there, whatever. We're gonna use Axe today, or Lysol. We don't know. And then this is our ignition that we'll be putting somewhere right here. First, we're going to glue the 2 to 3 adapter into the 3 to 4 thing, like so, but with glue. This is what it looks like when it's glued together. Next, we'll be gluing the 4 to 2 adapter to the combustion chamber, like so. This is what it looks like glued. We are going to be using a barbecue lighter for our ignition system thing. Just connected the ignition leads, and this is what it looks like from the inside. You can catch that. Next, we're going to glue in or on the ignition cap, like so. The last and most important part of this potato bazooka is the barrel, which we will place right in the adapter area, right in there. Okay, this is our testing ground. This is our 4th time. Do you want to be in it, John?
Yeah, look at the box.
Okay, and then we're gonna aim at a box. We've been aiming right here pretty much this whole time. Just out there. But now we're gonna aim our potato cannon. See, this is it done. We're gonna aim it at the box, see what happens. Okay, this is John. We're gonna do the potato right now. Put the potato in. Notice the sharp edges that we used right here. Kind of filed them down so that we could stick the potato in. And also, we are going to, yes, we put it down about that till it pretty much doesn't go anymore. And then we, just for fun, we put the extra pieces that we had, and we just put them in there for shrapnel. The aiming process. Okay, we're putting in, he's putting in the stuff. About 3 seconds, spray. Put the cap on. Right about now. Ignition. Okay, ready? Aim it good. Make sure. Yes. Okay.
Oh my God.
We're choosing some.
Oh, maybe I put that.
All the way through.
You ready?
Yeah. Go for it. One.
Oh,
I really didn't see that. I don't think that mixture works.
I think the mixture worked either.
Test number 6 or 7, one of those. I'm trying to hit that shed right over there.
Ready?
Yep. Go! I really don't see it. Did we hit anything? I didn't even see that.
Did you stop recording?
Look at this. Done.